NASA detected a mysterious object.
3I Atlas was an interstellar visitor.
The internet is going absolutely mental.
What the hell is NASA hiding?
You can't just make statements and everyone should believe you because of your authority.
On November 26th, NASA activated its planetary defense protocols for 3I Atlas. The International Asteroid Warning Network, the Planetary Defense Coordination Office, ESA's Space Situational Awareness Program, they're all watching this thing now. And between November 26th and 28th, the Japanese XRISM, XRISM satellite spent 17 hours locked onto it in X-ray wavelengths. What they found? It's breaking every rule we thought we knew about comets. Again. Let's go over what's really going on. So this PRISM satellite detected a faint X-ray glow extending 400,000 kilometers around the nucleus. That's nearly the distance from the Earth to the Moon. Now comets can emit X-rays when solar wind hits their coma. That's normal physics. But the size of this glow at this distance from the sun? That's not normal. And here's where it really gets weird. Preliminary reports suggest these X-ray emissions might be pulsating. A 7.9 hour cycle like a heartbeat. Intensity jumping 3 to 4 times between peaks and valleys. Now NASA hasn't officially confirmed the pulsation yet, but if it's true, comets don't pulse. They don't have rhythms, and they don't have heartbeats. So what exactly is causing this? But it gets better. Remember that million-kilometer anti-tail? The one pointing toward the sun, completely backwards? Amateur astronomers worldwide have been tracking this through November and December, and it's still there. On November 21st and December 1st, magnitude 10.5, visible through an 8-inch telescope, that same impossible tail structure still defying physics. And Hubble re-observed it, November 30th, 286 million kilometers from Earth, and it's still active. At this distance, comets go dormant, the sublimation stops, but 3I Atlas? Still pumping out material like it's close to the sun, still showing that teardrop coma we've been seeing, and still breaking all the models. Now here's what should make everyone pay attention. NASA didn't just activate the Planetary Defense Coordination Office. They launched the International Asteroid Warning Network campaign, specifically for 3I Atlas. This is running from late November through January 2026, coordinating professional observatories and amateur astronomers across the entire planet. This is the kind of response you see for potentially hazardous asteroids, for objects that might impact Earth, for things that don't fit the threat assessment models. So why are these planetary defense agencies tracking a comet that's supposedly not a threat? What aren't they telling us? Let's connect the dots. All right, we have planetary defense protocols activated, unconfirmed reports of pulsating X-ray emissions, a heartbeat, a verified 400,000 kilometer X-ray glow, an anti-tail pointing the wrong direction, confirmed by multiple independent observers, continued activity when all the physics says it should be dead, an international defense coordination for a harmless comet? This came from outside our solar system. It's behaving in ways that violate known physics. It's triggering planetary defense responses. And NASA's official statement? Not alien, not a threat. But if it's not a threat, then why activate defense protocols? If it's just a normal comet, why the pulsating X-rays? Why the backwards tail? And why is it still active when it should be frozen solid? 3I Atlas makes its closest approach to Earth on December 19th. That's about days from now. 270 million kilometers away as it exits our solar system forever. This is our last window, and they still won't answer the obvious questions. What is 3I Atlas? Why did they activate the planetary defense for something they claim isn't a threat? Drop your theories below. Hit subscribe if you want more updates on this amazing mystery and keep questioning everything because we have no idea what's next. See you soon.